This is a pretty similar preset to the one that I save in the left slot of the pedals that I ship. And I get a lot of questions as to how to create it. So I thought I would just do this little video showing how. For the dip switches, we're creating a tremolo effect by modulating the volume. So we have the volume dip switch set. I see we have it set to rise, but that's not really necessary in this case because we have the bounce switch engaged. And then we have tap control set for ramp because it's nice to be able to tap in the tempo of the tremolo in this case. At the beginning, I had it vibrato and tremolo happen at the same time. So you have this interesting sort of LFO thing happening. This is with it sped up, and I like to just roll it off just a little bit to make it sort of a little warbly. And then if you want to introduce the chorus rather than just the 100% vibrato, just roll back the mix. You get that really shimmery sort of sound with the chorus, and then you have that very nice, tasteful tremolo happening there as well. So that's how you set that one up. Thanks for watching.